I think that we're hoping that the rains will pick up now. There's prediction forecast that more rains will be coming now. So hopefully this month we will see that rains will pick up. Yeah, otherwise, already our revenue minister and other concerned departments are already looking into it and seeing what we'll have to do if such an eventuality comes where drought conditions build up. But hopefully, let us wait and watch. There's still some more time. If the rains pick up, then I think that should solve the problem. We cannot control nature.
Yes.
We can only hope that we can, if circumstances come, how to mitigate those circumstances and how we can stand by the people in terms of, obviously the first priority is always drinking water. Then it is for irrigation, agriculture, all that. So drinking water for both humans and animals, that is a very essential part of our responsibility. So already plans are being made and emergency plans are already in place. But we're just waiting and seeing how the rains pick up this month.